everyone, Katerina here. Today we got another box from Pacycle, and today this is the child bike trailer together step by step. So let's open the box first and get all the products out. So here we have the trailer that is folded. Let's open it up and see everything that comes with the trailer. All the accessories and everything is inside, so we're gonna do that now step by step. Let me just take off the plastic bag, the protection, and then we see all the accessories that we got with this one. Okay, so let's see the accessories. I'm gonna just put it down. So you get a little flag as accessories if you want. We also have the wheels that we're gonna install right now together. We do have another wheel here. I'm gonna open it up and show you the details. Here is the handlebar. This is the part to attach it. And here we also have the manual, so it's gonna show you step by step how to install it. So let's go and do it together. The first step to install is we're gonna put this handle on the bars here. So we do it on both sides. And now you get the whole set here. So we're just gonna open this little bag and then we're gonna screw everything together. Now we're gonna unfold it. It is very easy, just push it up and we have to fix it. Now we're going to install the wheels. We have two wheels on the sides and one wheel in front. For the wheels on the side, you just need to press the button. Also very easy to install it. We're just going to open this bag. And now we also press the button here. The button this time is going to be on the trailer, not on the wheel. Next step we have, which is definitely the last step, is to install the adapter so we can put this trailer on the bicycle. So we just need to connect this pole here. We do have a fixator here on the side already on the trailer. So just make sure that the holes are met. The last step we need to do is just connect it to the bicycle. So we are gonna use this screw just to fix it. And this is the first part of fixing, and we are gonna double fix it just to make sure. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's go for a ride.